Hi, we are TECK Consulting, and this is a consultation for Holiday Inn hotels.
My name's Kiana.
My name's Christina.
I'm Elizabeth.
I'm Tommy.
Let's start with an introduction of our company. So who are we? We are a consulting agency, and our job is to help companies with their customer service issues. We play an important part when companies and businesses need extra support and guidance to help fix their issues. Our team of experts are all trained to specifically deal with different parts of a business-related problem. With our step-by-step process, we can get your Holiday Inn customer service issues fixed. In order to get your customers to stay with your chain of hotels and think about you when it comes to buying a hotel for future trips.
So what is the problem? There are customer service issues that have been noticed at multiple Holiday Inn hotels. There are complaints that the hotels are understaffed with the front desk employees and the guest representatives, and there are also complaints that the booking website is not user-friendly. This problem was reported 6 months ago, and corporate checked various hotel locations to confirm this issue. Many negative reviews for various Holiday Inn hotels were complaining about the customer service. These issues have been linked to poor training, understaffing issues, and poor social media presence. The above issues also cause employees to not have enough incentive to perform well at their job. Providing a pleasant, safe, memorable experience for customers is a purpose, which is what a Forbes article said regarding to customer service experiences. And employees tend to thrive more when they feel their work has a meaning. So we ran a problem diagnostic, and TECK conducted a survey asking all Holiday Inn employees and staff who come into contact with guests and customers on a daily basis to anonymously report on why they think they might receive low customer service ratings. The employees that responded to the survey offered the following as potential explanations. They had poor training upon being hired, for example, no training videos and no real-world scenarios. They did not have enough experience since upper management did not spend more time training their employees for different situations, and some staff even said that they did not have corporate support.
Moving on to our solutions. Number 1, creating ease. You may think that loyalty is fostered by making the most amazing customer service, but in reality, delivering service that is easy makes more loyalty. What this means for your company is making channels of interaction easier for your customers to use. This includes your website. As there have been complaints, the interface needs to be easier to use. You could also consider including an FAQ or a chat bot to help customers solve their own problems. Also, telephone and in-person needs to address downstream issues more efficiently. And this means thinking about not only the problem at hand, but future problems that may occur later. Also, social media is very important. Nowadays, all companies are expected to not only have social media, but keep up with it and be engaged. Being active and personable will help new customers engage, and that will help more people be aware of your brand, and that's free advertisement almost. You can also see what your competitors are doing and how they're promoting themselves in order to help you improve your promoting. Next is emotions. In customer service, emotions are so important. In a Harvard study, they found that there are 4 different types of customer complaints. There are people who are controlling, thinking, feeling, or entertaining. When you tailor your responses, you make your customers feel heard and understood. This helps them to have a more positive experience. And when they have this positive experience, you get less negative reviews, but also they'll they'll speak positively online, and that word of mouth traveling at the speed of the internet, anywhere that has an internet connection, that word of mouth is very important. Also important is to avoid negative words such as can't, won't, or don't. This creates negative feelings in your customers. But your complaints are also very valuable information. When you talk to customers who've had bad experiences, that gives you the key to making better ones. We suggest calling your low rating customers and resolving their issue to take that information. A way that we can do this is by incorporating Zendesk. This makes it easier to review customer feedback using tickets, and this helps you know what adjustments need to be made. How you measure performance impacts future performance. And customer service often fails when it focuses on the wrong things, such as the speed of your resolution over the quality. It creates the image of success by having a large number of tickets that were completed, but this often is less personable since speed is the objective, and that negative experience is bad for your image. So fully solving customer issues and ending the interaction in a positive way. Your employees are very important. Good marks in customer service starts with your employees. This means changing your hiring habits and changing the way you have your attitude about staff. They are the hands that deliver your customer service, making them investments of time, which means training your employees. Training your employees is a little more expensive, but that investment makes that so that they can represent the company even better. And that better service will mean more profits in the long run for you. But employees need incentives to want to do a better job. You could consider adding pay boosts to employees who receive good feedback. We found in a study from Wharton that revenue rose $10 for every additional dollar of payroll added. So understaffing is not only a bad investment, it's bad for your image, which makes it harder to get new loyal customers, but also existing ones may leave. And that is losing profits for you and your company. The way that we're going to do this new training is by creating videos for you, which is included in our service fees. These videos are a good idea for a number of reasons. This gives a consistent experience to your employees. Every different employee at every one of your locations will have the same training. It's also very cost efficient because it's simply a link that can be sent to different managers. It's also engaging because you get the images, the sound, and even some interaction, and that makes for better retention.
So here comes the timeline and budget. It is a 12-week program, and this graph is showing the timeline. All the detail for each box will be talked on the budget slides. So for the week 1, we're going to have the introduction about the program. We're going to have the process assessment. And this one is, we're going to review the customer service before and after. And we're going to team building events. We also have to review the current consumer operation process and each consumer service performance. It's just a one-on-one meeting for evaluation and 30 minutes per person. On week 2, we're going to start a video filming. The video filming is the purpose, but we're going to recording the training stuff during these 12 weeks. And we got the employee need to learn how to use the Zendesk. And we also had to do the website optimizations. On week 3, we're going to have to improve the phone system practice. We're going to have to know how to make the social media platforms. And we also need to focus on the SEO ranking. On week 4, we're going to overview and practice out the new system. We're going to train know how to deal with sudden indents, such as consumer report and a fire alarm and all of this. On week 5, we're going to end the filming. For the week 6, we're going to have the hotel manager conference. We're going to check the employee work and notice what went well and which parts you still need to improve. On week 7, the video going to release. On week 8, we will welcome to the loyal customers and a new customer. We're going to publish the events and the promotion provided. And after the 4-week experience, the final result will read by the consumer and hotel manager and professional trainer. And we're going to have a meeting, review the feedback, and improve more. And we end this to have a conclusion of the whole training program. This is about the budget. The first part is about the training cost. This one going to cost $73,000 and $600. The first part is about consulting fee. It's about $60,000. We're going to hire a small book with this money, and it's enough for 40 people training. Next one, we got customer service training video, and that's called $8,000 for just buying the equipment. We got team building events called a puncture exercise. We need the flip chart paper, the Sharpies, and the launches. This exercise is the purpose of sharing the experience, build trust, and improve the communication and encourage each other. We all know the customer service is always the one who receives the negative from the customer. So this exercise basically just you bold the flip chart paper into everyone on the group. We're gonna have the group separated in an A group, and each group have 5 people on them. And we're gonna encourage every people write the negative, write positive, and encouragement on the chart paper. The fourth one is about process assessment and improvement. It's about the review the current customer's operation process. The fifth one is about update and finalize the process, training, exercise, tests, and certificates. This one costs $3,000 and $600. The second part is called the customer service system improvement. The first one is about help desk software. It's called a Syntax TECK system that Kiana already talked about it. This one costs $24,000, $50 per users and per month. We have the phone system. We're gonna have the $10,000 on that. And we got hotel website optimization. It's also going to be $10,000 on that. And the last one, we got social media platforms. We're going to focus on a group to maintain the post SEO ranking. So the SEO ranking basically is about a search engine optimization. It's the process of improving quality and the quantity of the website traffic to your website and a web page from the search engines. The employee should know how to add the keywords in the SEO about the hotel. Then the system will show your hotel at the first choice once the consumer search the hotel on the website. The third one is about promotion programs. We have the loyal consumer events. We're going to put $10,000 on that. The events will be held in the 5 cities. Each city will select 10 members of a hotel tour and evaluate the new customer service system and have an appreciation dinner. Next one, we got a new consumer welcome package. It's cost $25,000. We welcome the new sign up, could get $50 coupon and a little gift from the hotel. The coupon is valid for 30 days and the promotion will be for 15 days. And the first thing first server. Overall, the total cost is going to be $176,000 and $600.
When it comes to measuring the success of the solution, we will send our undercover observers back to the hotel to once again act as guests and present the employees with common issues that customers may encounter on the daily in order to see how much their customer service skills have improved. We will also collect surveys to be able to see the improvements that have been made after having our consult team go in. Hiring tech consulting agency will be sure to make a positive improvement in your customer service needs. In order to help increase the success of our solutions, we will always be sure to share our ideas and find ways to implement it. Our expert step-by-step plan with planned videos, training, surveys, undercover operation, and meetings are guaranteed solutions and techniques that will make a difference in your employees' customer service skills. Thank you.